Hello friends! Do you feel like exploring another Polish castle today? Let's start! Niedzica Castle, also known as Dunajec Castle, is located in the southernmost part of Poland. It was erected in the 14th century on the site of an ancient stronghold surrounded by earthen walls in the Pieniny Mountains. It is known as one of the most picturesque castles in the country and adorns the covers of many books. The castle was an important center of Polish-Hungarian relations since the 14th century. At the time of the Turkish invasion 500 years ago, a deal was struck at Niedzica to make it a Polish protectorate. The fortress was renovated many times by its successive owners. The last Hungarian inhabitants remained there until 1943. The final reconstruction of the castle was completed in 1963 under the supervision of the Polish Ministry of Culture. It has served as a historical museum ever since. One of Niedzica's owners was a man named Kokosz Berzevicz, who traveled to the New World in the 18th century. According to a popular legend, he fell in love with the alleged Inca princess. Their daughter Umina married the nephew of an Inca insurrection leader, Tupac Amaru II, whose assumed name implied descent from Inca kings. Tupac Amaru was eventually executed by the Spaniards after rebelling against the colonial government. The legend goes on to claim that the sacred scrolls of the Incas had been handed down to his surviving family members. The notion that the Inca treasure map could be hidden somewhere in the depths of the castle is still cherished today. If you find this interesting, don't hesitate and visit this beautiful place.